Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. This is gold, weekly chart on gold. Yeah, we had such a pullback, strong pullback, that many questions arise. Is it a forced breakout again, like what we had here with a very strong pullback? Actually, I'm not sure if it was a forced breakout, because we were still building up higher lows. This was rather a consolidation area. Anyway, so are we still bullish? Can we still be bullish on gold? Well, we have this wedge here, and we all came down and almost touched the trend line. And as long as we are above this trend line, actually on the weekly, I'm not worried about gold. And my price target is still 1800, 1815, something like that. So right now on the weekly, we can see that we are sitting on the 50 EMA. We had a week down, but I was almost sure that we were going back there. In fact, I was expecting gold to stop there and not fall below 50 EMA on the weekly chart, but we did. Then I was sure we were and touched this area, and I was sure to come back. Right now we are sitting there, and I think this weekly candle should close here above the 50 EMA, if not above 20 EMA, so that this bull run could not be hurt. We will see how this closes, but that's what I'm expecting. Let's go over to the daily chart. And see what we can get there. So there's the daily chart on gold, and trading gold is very easy, and yet it is so difficult. Sometimes it is easy because we have this, when you have these tools, these areas, you can put a short position here, and yeah, we fell all the way to this support. Well, 1830 could have offered some support also, but it did not. So at least not on the daily. And here we could have opened a long position, but the pullback was very short, and we fell below. We can open here because with a tight stop loss, it doesn't matter if we get stopped out. And here we could have opened a short position all the way down here. Right now I'm expecting gold to go back to this area, 1803, 1804, something like that, and I'm actually longing this market. The stop loss would be under this area, or yeah, either under here or under this wick. But right now, when I look at the daily chart, here we have a low, here we have a higher low, and right now we still have a higher low. That's what I'm hoping, that we are building up a higher low. We might spend some time here going back and forth here, or going up here, spending some time in this area, going up, breaking through this area. Maybe 20 EMA could offer us some resistance. 1830, 1835 could also offer some resistance, but I'm expecting gold to eventually go back up to this area and eventually break above there. And of course, if we pay attention to these support and resistance areas, we can play with this very well. Let's look at the 4-hour chart on gold. So this is the 4-hour chart on gold, and yesterday we had this big pullback, and when we have this, I'm looking for signs of a bullish reversal. I thought we would have it here, right here in this box, but didn't we fell below this box or this level of support. And then I was expecting to see some sign of reversal above this next support level, and we had this 4-hour candle showing me that we touched it and we bounced back. So it was telling me that we are going to have probably a bullish reversal, and that's what we did. We had this, and right now we are right around here. I expect gold to go back here, touch this area, maybe have pullback, spend some time here. Of course we could come back down near this area, touch it one more time and going back above, but yeah, I'm still bullish on gold, and so that's why I think we are going back to this area in the short term. Let's go over to silver and see what's happening there. Let's look at silver, and we are starting with the 4-hour chart on silver. So there's a 4-hour chart on silver, and as you can see, yeah, it could have been traded very well. We fell below this area. I need to make it a little bit longer like that. Oops. Did I just erase it or what happened? Like this, good. And now, yeah, came here, bounced just a little bit because it was still bearish, and fell and came to my next area of support and fell. But even on the 4-hour chart frame we bounced back and have this 4-hour candle suggesting a bullish reversal could happen, and this is what happened. We developed a triangle pattern, which I'm not happy about. This could even continue the breakdown, but we will see. Right now we are above this area, and I expect silver to go to 23.87 up to 24.2, somewhere there. So going back above, unless we break down below this area and have a 4-hour candle close below this area at 23.5-ish level. Okay, let me just have a look at this little triangle on the 1-hour chart, or what it looks like. So that's silver, and that's the 1-hour chart. Because such triangle pattern, yeah, actually we are above that, so we will see. We might continue this bull run up. We will see. Okay, going over to the daily chart on silver. Are we still in a bull trend? Let's see and let's check it. So there's the daily chart on silver, and here we have a low, here we have a higher low, and it's still a higher low. Let's hope we are building this higher low. That's the daily chart, and we are down below the 50-day EMA. This red line is the 50-day EMA. We are down below it, so yeah, here we closed a candle below it, but that was a bullish reversal candle, and the next day's candle closed above that. So it would be very nice for silver to go back there and at least have the candle, a green candle, touching this 50-day EMA at 24. So I actually expect silver to go back to 24, and it would be very nice to close this candle above this, but maybe tomorrow's candle, if we can close above that area, that would be very nice, because yeah, we need to confirm this bullish trend, and there should be signs of confirmation. So today or tomorrow we need to be around this 24 level. In fact, soon we need to reach 24.23 20-day EMA and close above that to confirm the bullish trend. And because we still have a higher low, that's what I think we are going to do. So we just need to wait and see that. Good, let's go over to the weekly on silver. The weekly chart on silver. So when we look at the weekly chart, we had this bullish reversal here, we had this uptrend, and now we have this pullback. And that would be nice to say above this area, above 23.5. And in fact, yeah, the 20 EMA on the weekly is still below the 50 EMA. That still says that we are in bearish territory. 20 EMA should go back above the 50 EMA in order for us to turn bullish on silver on the weekly chart. Let's hope we go back there, and we will see where this weekly closes. I would be very glad if it closed above the 50 EMA. And is this still possible to close above 50 EMA? Then we would have a very long weekly candle with a very long wick to the downside, so above 24.3. I'm really curious where we will close this week. Okay, so my price target is still 28 on silver. I'm still bullish on silver. Yeah, I just need to wait and see what happens in the short term, in the very short term. That's all for now. See you next time.